Hi, I'm Karen Vergara. This is my task for speech, sound, and semantics. This is my mini class about vowels, sound. Long vowel is a term used to refer the vowel sound whose pronunciation is the same as its letter name. The five vowels of the English spelling system A, E, I, O, and U each have a corresponding long vowel sound with the symbol A, E, I, O, and U. Long vowels are generally the easy vowels for non-native English speakers to distinguish and pronounce correctly. American English long vowel sound. Sound EPA, EA, K word. These are examples. With pronunciation kaki, we say K. We don't say keep, we say keep. For long vowel sound I, K word, we don't say bike, we say bike. For O, we don't say home, we say home. Finally, for a long vowel sound U, don't say cute, we say cute. Thank you. There are the reference. Bye.